welcome back to my channel. In last video we had studied how to find out nth term of an AP. In today's video we are going to learn sum of first n term of an AP. You just need to remember this is related to the sum of, okay? So if I ask you, you need to calculate, you need to find out the sum of positive integers starting from 1 to 200. Let's consider a simple example. So how we are going to perform the addition? So let's consider sum denoted by S letter is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on till 200. As I asked you, you need to perform the division. You need to find out the sum between the number which is starting from 1 to 200. So how you are going to proceed? You are going to add all the numbers. It is not possible technically. Yes, it is possible, but definitely this process is a very tedious process for you. Am I right? This is very time consuming process. So how you are going to overcome this? So for that particular, to find out the sum of all the numbers, you have to apply simple formula. So which formula you are going to apply to find out the sum? So S is equal to n upon 2 inside the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You need to remember this formula to find out sum of first n term of an AP. Okay, this type of problem you can solve by two different methods. So what is method number 1? Simply you have to use this formula. With the help of this formula you will get S ka value, that is sum. Okay, the second method is, can I write the given formula in this format? I'll divide this 2a into a plus n minus 1 into d. If you observe carefully, a plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but the formula used to calculate nth term. So this formula becomes n by 2 a plus a n. I hope you have understood the second formula. So you can, as I told you, you can solve this particular problem by two different methods. The one is what? Simply by using the first formula. Let's consider this first formula. And the second one is, you can first find out the value of an. That is, you can simply find out nth term and then you can substitute that nth term in formula number 2. So I hope you have understood both the formulas related to sum of first n term of an AP. Now as I said, we have to perform the addition between the number which is starting from 1 to 200. So as per the first formula, let's consider the solution. What was the question? We have to find out the sum of 1 plus till 200 numbers. Okay. Now solution for this question, let's consider. Solution is equal to S, that is sum, which is equal to, what is the value of n we have to consider here? Because we need to find out the sum from 1 till 200. So n value is 200. So write down the given data. N is equal to 200. What is the value of a? A is equal to first term, that is 1. What is the value of d? D is equal to common difference between the two consecutive numbers. So 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. This is given data. Am I right? And with the help of this given data, simply you need to find out the value of S. So S is equal to, what is n? As I said, n is equal to 200 upon 2 inside the bracket 2 into 1, am I right? Plus n is 200 minus 1 into 1. I hope you have understood simply you need to substitute the given data inside the formula. What you will get, S is equal to 200 divided by 2 is 100. Then inside the bracket it is 2 plus 200 minus 1 is 199 into 1 is 199. 199 plus 2, it will become 100 into 201. So what would be the sum? 20100. This is your sum between 1 to 200 numbers. I hope you have understood how to find out sum of first n term of an AP type number 1. Under type number 1, you have to simply apply this formula to calculate sum. As I told you, this is method number 1. How you are going to solve this particular example by method 2? As I told you, you have to try. As I told you, you need to find out the value of an. What is the value of an? So if I consider an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is a? A is equal to 1. What is the value of n? N is equal to 200 minus 1 into d. D is what? Into 1. So if you are going to multiply this, what you will get? 200 here. So an is equal to 200. So substitute an value in this particular formula. So you will get S is equal to 200 upon 2 inside the bracket 1 plus 200, which is equal to 100 into 201. The final answer is 20100. So this is method 2. So I hope you have understood. You can easily solve the given example by applying method 1 or method 2. It is your choice. So I hope you have understood type number 1 under sum of first n term of an AP. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep watching, keep learning, keep smiling. See you in the next video. Good day. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.